Today I'm going to talk about our brains. Our brains, that's right. The thing inside of our heads. This is an important topic. You see, our brains, my brain, your brain, they all have a certain characteristic. In other words, there are certain ways of learning that are easier and more effective. And there are certain ways of learning that are more difficult and less effective. This is especially true of memory. There are certain ways of remembering things that your brain likes, that are easy for your brain, and therefore more powerful, more effective. And then there are other ways of trying to remember things